everyone, my name is Natalie and you're watching the Liberate Your Space channel. Today we are starting a really exciting project over the next 3 days. We're helping a YouTube couple, Landon and Shila, get organized in their new home. They just moved in about a month ago. Within that month they just had a baby girl. They haven't really had a chance to get settled in and organize for themselves. And so we stepped in to do that for them. We can't wait to show you some before and afters. Let's go. So now we're in the closet. We're gonna start editing with Shyla. These are all about the same
these are like
category.
Sets. Yeah, those are sets. So.
These are like two-piece sets?
Yeah,
okay.
These are sets too, but I don't know where it's somewhere in there. I mean, the hoarder in me wants to keep that.
Just for like next Christmas?
Yeah, but I didn't wear it this Christmas. I'll keep that. That's cute. So I'll probably keep that.
This one?
Yeah.
So we just finished editing the entire closet and wardrobe space. We are going to go in and categorize and just move everything around so that all the categories are living in the right place and to make everything look really good. So there are lots of hoodies and sweatshirts. I think what I'm going to do is move all of the hoodies together and put the sweatshirts together. All the jackets will live together.
What are you guys doing here?
Organizing, folding shirts.
Regina, I think I don't want to be in here.
We're putting labels on everything.
So let's see. You guys saw the before, let's see the after. Oh, wow. First of all, let's just note that it looks way cleaner without the piles of laundry on here that had no home.
We created these rod dividers up at the top. On Shyla's side, I noticed one of the biggest struggles was finding a place to hang long hanging, dresses, coats. The native design of the closet didn't necessarily allow for that, at least on her side. We just removed one of the rods down here because she had enough long hanging clothing and coats that, it could warrant having a full long hang section. Dresses don't have to be folded or folded on the hanger. They can just flow free. We created these rod dividers up at the top. It goes everywhere from heavy coats and jackets to longer cardigans, then long dresses, jumpsuits, which are basically, long, and then some maternity dresses as well, because, she just had her baby, so she's still kind of fitting into that world. Over here are lighter jackets, and they are shorter, so we were able to put them in the short hang section. Then some sweaters, so still it's like, flows through the heavier type of clothing. Then down here, she loves hoodies, so we just color coded all of her hoodies and put them together. She does have other sweatshirts, but they're crew neck, so we put those in their own category over down here. And then up top, we put all of her tops. So everything from short crop tops to longer sleeve crop tops, bodysuits, shirts.
the first step of like reorganizing is what they call editing. So it's getting rid of the things that you're not gonna wear or you haven't worn in a while. And I think we got rid of about what, like 4 or 5 bags? Maybe
yeah,
more?
easily. Yeah, 4 or 5 bags. And you were really quick. It depends on how attached you are to things. But she was just like, no, yeah.
So it was really easy for me to get. So it looks super empty. Like I promise I own more than like 4 sweatpants. I like that. I love how that's folded. Like how
so you can see everything that you have. We call this the file fold.
Yeah, I really like this.
For new moms, it's really important to have all of your maternity stuff in one place because you kind of can't wear anything else. So this entire drawer is strictly maternity. So it's maternity pants, sweats,
I love that.
bras.
The drawer dividers.
Yes, we love the clear drawer dividers just to
Beautiful.
keep the sections in place over time.
And then again, they labeled everything. So that was really big. I remember she asked me like, do you want us to label things? And I was like, yeah,
hell yeah.
I want things labeled. So that looks So for Landon's side, before he just mixed everything, which drove me crazy, like his socks and his underwear and his t-shirts and his tank tops all be in like one drawer, and he was fine with that.
Yeah.
So
we separated it all.
That was a really big.
Categorized it. Yeah. He actually had several drawers of like several categories all mixed.
Of everything.
So yeah. So we decided to commit and make the first one for briefs or underwear, and with the tag, with the label up top. So it depends on how we organize, but we did it this way just in case he wanted to wear a specific kind.
Oh wow.
And then all of his undershirts.
I didn't even know you had that many underwear. That's
all
amazing.
All of his socks have their own drawers and just throw them in here.
Wait. I know literally 90% of these are my socks. The no grip. These are all my. He literally just takes all of my socks.
Well, yeah, they were all here. Landon had a pretty good, system going on. So we just added some of the rod dividers with labels on them just to make sure, it's very obvious where the categories are living. So his space looks pretty good and minimal on this side. So that's it for today's closet reorganization project. Stay tuned for our next project, which is the kitchen and pantry reorg. Don't forget to hit the like button below, comment, let us know what you loved about this project or what your favorite tip was. See you in the next video. Bye.